Hi, boys and girls. So, your first story for the week is called The Hurt Bird by Carly Moab. Um, to get you started, it says, what do the birds that live near you look like? What else do you know about birds? So, these are some questions that you can talk to an adult, like your mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, or brother, sister, about. What kind what kinds of birds live in yards and on farms? Which birds live near water? Read to find out about birds. Now, your first story does have a bird in it, and our main character, Clark, um, is going to have a little adventure with a bird. So I won't spoil that, but I'll let you read the story to see exactly what happens. At the very end, there is a little activity with story word clues. So that would be great little practice also. I hope you enjoy.